Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Edge download was blocked, virus detected, no permission errors. Open Registry with administrator privileges. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click and expand policies, click attachment. Open Scan with Antivirus, change value data to 1, after downloading you can change value data to 3.
I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.